Hi, I'm Lionel, this is techloto, and this is my unboxing video for the Pulse Earbuds. It comes in a really simple package. All you have to do is pull the box apart, and if you look on the back of the box, you can see the specs for the earbuds. So just the important stuff. It takes about 60 minutes for a full charge, and that lasts you about 6 hours. But in my experience, because of the charging case, it doesn't really feel like that. And speaking of that, as soon as you open a box, you can see your earphones and you can see the charging case. You also see a few gel earbuds just so that you can have different options when it comes to sizes, so you make sure it fits really well for you. It comes with a relatively small cable which is suitable for the charging case. So as I was saying, the battery life is 6 hours, which is good enough, but because you have the charging case, every time you're not using the earbuds, you're probably going to put them in the charging case. So that means once you've had a full charge of your earbuds and you also have your charging case which is full, it will literally be days before you actually run down your battery. The only times that I've run down the battery of these earbuds is when I've been on really long Zoom calls after using the earbuds all day. I was really impressed with the sound quality because it has a good bass. It's not something to write home about because you can get good bass in most earphones nowadays, but I was really impressed with the clarity. Sometimes you get a good bass, but then it's too punchy at the top. This actually has a good range that registers a good sound regardless of what type of music you're playing. For me, it's really important to have a pair of earphones that I can use whenever I'm exercising. Last Saturday, I put it on, went to the park, I went for a run, I was skipping, and it was completely fine. It didn't feel loose, it didn't feel like it was going to fall out of my ears, so I was impressed with that. But funny enough, with my experience of earphones, one thing that always falls short, especially with wireless earbuds, is the microphone. I am genuinely so surprised. Because of the microphone on these earbuds, it actually makes the Pulse earbuds really well rounded. If you've ever bought wireless earbuds, even from the big name brands, I bet you've heard this phrase before: I can hear the people around you more than I can hear you. That's an issue that I didn't have with this. I was on the phone and the person on the other line was telling me they could hear me perfectly well. They could hear the cars in the background, they could hear the wind, but they could hear me more than they could hear the background, which is really important for me. And that's the reason why the Pulse earbuds are now my primary earphones. And it's what I've been using everywhere, whether I'm in the house, whether I'm outside, whether I'm exercising. So that's the Pulse earbuds. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.